Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to enable mic icon on a keyboard on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, I'm gonna show you on my keyboard there are a microphone icon like this, but we cannot use it. So if you want to disable it, you just have to go to this settings and now scroll it down until you find the system options. Now go to this keyboard options. Tap on it and we'll see the first option, which is on screen keyboard. Tap on it. We'll see here the latest option, which is Google voice typing. You just have to activate it first. So now in this pop-up, tap on OK. And now we go into the keyboard again and I'm gonna open and use this mic icon. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on these options here guys, and now I'm gonna select the while using the app, and it will be look like this. It will be type automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.